Paper Systems offers EZ-Set pre-assembled for your convenience. EZ-Set will arrive 60 per truckload. EZ-Set will also arrive pre-banded for your convenience. To begin filling, you will adjust the corrugated holder by inverting the corrugated legs on the corrugated holder. You are now ready to connect and fill. Watch this short video and you will see how simple it is to stage the container for filling. You will pull up on the corrugated holder. You will invert the corrugated legs. You are now ready to begin filling. Once you've completed filling, you will then re-invert the holder in place, as shown. You are now ready to put the lid on the container. Remove the adhesive backing and place the lid on the container as shown.